How are you? Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your service to our country.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Cute little one. And the doll too.
Thank you, ladies.
I'm enjoying it. It is absolutely fantastic. I have never been to Washington, D.C., and so this is a really fantastic, amazing trip. Thank you. How about? I'm seeing it as, for the first time, as I didn't realize that we were that important that far back. I was only 18, 1943, and it, you know, 18-year-old don't worry and think about it. I had 3 brothers in the service, and my only choice was to go to work so they can come home.
Because the Lincoln's behind you.
Okay, thank you. I was a riveter, and I worked on the B-25 at the Rouge plant in Ford, and I worked on what they call the de-icer for the fin.
Oh, I just enjoyed it so much. It's just unbelievable. I couldn't sleep last night. I was all excited thinking about today. When I was working on those wings, I never thought that it'd come to this, but we're getting paid back. We're really enjoying it, you know. It just.
Hearing aids.
Oh,